wanted to give Kitty some good news before she was going to be operated on. She was going to have operation. We called her
Give us some money.
a few moments, we called her Boogie, which is,
I'm recording you.
and she said no, so she
Φωτογραφία από εκεί πέρα που είσαι.
Πρέπει να παίρνει, ναι.
Πρέπει να κάνεις εσένα αυτό το...
Oh, you're beautiful, you're worth it.
Καλά, εντάξει, πρέπει να μου πάρεις με την έννοια.
Όχι, θα σου λέω με παίρνεις εδώ.
Hi, you're beautiful, I can't help it.
Τώρα που αποφαντούν είμαι...
Stop running around. I'm getting this.
Τι πράγματα, αφού είναι τόσο λίγο τηλεφωνό. Λασία! Μην παίρνει και φωνή θέμα. Hi, why? Of course it does.
Μόνο αν είσαι να ακούσεις. Σιγά, Άσε καλό σας.
Alex, if you want to be in it, go over there.
Stace, go close to her. Ελένη.
Is this America?
Λασία! Αλεξάκη, θα πας λίγο αγόρι. Καφέ.
Μ' αρέσουν λίγο.
Stace, come around the door, Stace.
Αυτό που λες πάνω.
Get my nana's profile, make sure.
Πρώτη φορά μας.
Αλέξη, πάρε αυτό που θες να μάθεις να η
I
οποία σου να
can't hear
τρώει.
you.
Εμένα με πες με το ταψί θα λέμε τι τρώει αυτή. Λασία, όχι
I'm making a movie, relax everybody.
Go close to them.
Ξέρεις γιατί.
Δεν μ' αρέσουν καθόλου. Η Τασία σε Μιλανό. Πέρσι το είχαν στο χώρο της εκκλησίας μου. Εμένα παίρνετε. Στο χώρο της εκκλησίας μου και νέα μίσα πολύ. Δεν μ' αρέσει.
Wide lens.
Η στέση που είναι. Αλέξη, παρακαλώ παιδάκι μου.
All you do is press a button to record. You bring it close and far, it's so easy to use.
Σας άρεσε το πάρα το λέω.
This is far away. You look beautiful, smile.
Σήκω, θα πας ξύπνο. Hi, Stace.
How'd you do that?
Σήκω, παιδάκι μου.
You look lovely.
Well, why are you tell me?
Alex looks good on
Τασία, πάμε
camera.
με το κορίτσι μου.
Γεια σου Τασούλα!
Hello.
Ελόγια. Τασία, πάρε με το κορίτσι μετά. Λες τι cute κορίτσι έχω. Αλλά δεν μπορώ να την πω ότι αγαπάω
See,
μόνο
is
αυτό
she,
τώρα.
is she cute?
Είσαι και εσύ εδώ.
I don't think so.
Stace, don't. Stace,
You
get
look
the
lovely.
Get the camera away.
Beautiful.
Alright!
Alex, go jump on. Go bother her. Go bother her, Alex. Alex looks good on camera.
Yeah, don't
He's
I?
that good-looking kid.
Wait, let me put on.
Let's see how messy Helen's room is.
Hey, do you have any records, or I mean tapes, like old tapes you like?
You should be on American Bandstand, Alex.
Wait, I got to make one.
Alex, you can dance. Go ahead.
Alex, dance good though, dance good. Go like this, ready, come on. Go like this, Alex. Ah!
Stace, take yourself in the mirror.
Stop it, Alex.
Take yourself filming in the mirror.
Here she is in the mirror.
This is gonna be good. Wait, look at my throat. I have a sore throat.
Stace, go downstairs and take them.
She was yelling.
Cassie, when can we go home?
I'm not going home. Say cheese. They look beautiful. And whose car is this, Alex? Who's in this car right here?
What a hot one. Look at this one here. Not bad either. This is a guy.
And there's Alex.
Good bargain on this one.
Alex, good.